What's up, guys?
What's up, folks?
What's up, guys?
What's up, guys?
What's up, guys? What's up, guys?
I bought Nello her Christmas gift, which is this big old slide, which you can do indoors, but my friend's kids like love this toy, so I got it for her too, hoping she'll like it. And now I'm gonna wrap it.
Honestly, it's never been much about you. Don't get me wrong, I think you're great. Root of tradition we celebrate. But oh, Christmas tree, more than anything, it's all the people around you. My sister's here, my cousins too. My brothers flew in this afternoon. We're catching up.
So I wrapped it. It's so cute. I even added a bow. It's all Minnie Mouse. Minnie Mouse. And I just got this ribbon from Walmart. And I got this wrapping paper from TJ Maxx.
So I'm just gonna explain that. I don't think we need to do this. Still happening. I still need to optimize our simulation, so you don't want to put a slide of using. Hey, you don't need to make fun, okay?
Okay, you're right, sorry. So we're making creme brulee for the first time. And so I'm going to separate the egg yolks from the egg. I'll show you guys.
It's kinda crazy.
No, why do they keep coming apart? Like, it should not do that. I think it's because you put it where the door is, but like your egg yolks are like... I can't explain it, but it's like weak.
Stop making fun of my egg yolks.
Your egg yolks?
That I fell for you and you had my heart. As fast as the seasons change, my heart was stolen. Parts of me that were
Oh, I just like that.
Put up everything, every drawer in here.
What kind of cream? Like a soft cream? Like, is this cream?
I think that's what that was.
I'm so happy that you're mine. Nothing in this world
oven safe?
can make me feel the way that you do. Feels like I'm dancing on moonlight. Of all the stars at night, none of them can shine.
We have reached a new level of baking fails. Where he rips his pants.
You don't need to vlog that.
Putting something in the oven. I'm not gonna show you, but it's there. Anyways, that's gonna be baking for how long?
30 to 45 minutes.
Set a timer.
Whoa, you know how to use this.
That's a sound.
I'm still happy.
Yeah, you didn't melt the sugar.
Won't you listen when you feel you're missing me? Let this be a little lullaby. Help you fall
Gotta learn to melt the sugar though.
Yeah, and I think it would be better if it was chilled too.
Yeah, for sure.
We should chill it and try it again tomorrow. Drink water.
여기 좋아요.
Here, Mala. Here, put the water up here.
아버지만 없어. 국물에다가 고기 그거 맛있는 거 산 거야.
It's the lullaby straight till the morning.
할머니 안 드세요?
How we keep it going.
나는 먹었어.
Moments, girl.
어떨 먹어. 릴로 할머니가 먹게. 할머니가
So just
먹게
fuck me like
먹어.
a side boy.
Did you poop?
만두 더 삶을까? 만두.
아니 괜찮은 것 같은데.
어?
괜찮을 것 같아.
그거 가지고 돼?
예 예.
Oh, you poop.
멜로
똥 쌌어.
부부했어? 아니 그런 거는 놔둬요. 아가씨.
Come on. Let's go change your diaper.
어떡하냐?
What? 아이고.
어이 먹어.
아예 기다릴게요.
맘만 먹자.
나도 손 닦으자. 이렇게.
맘만 먹자.
똥 쌌어요? 멜로 시원해?
Go eat your mama. Let's go. Milo, sit down, please. 그거 어디다가 버렸어?
왜?
Milo, you had to eat with harmony.
야 할머니. 맘마. 넣었어. 왜 그래? 아가씨. 아가씨. 응?
오, Milo 혼자 먹으려고? 오케이, Milo 혼자 먹어. Milo, you eat. Good girl, baby. 혼자 먹고 싶어서 그렇구나.
얘는 혼자 먹잖아. 저희 집에 있어. 혼자 줘.
이거 할머니 김치야? 아닌
응.
것 같은데. 아, 그래?
익지를 않아서 그래. 내가 익은 거 안 먹어서
아.
저를 기대나.
이거 너무 맛있는데.
맛있어? 먹고 더 먹어. 많아. 왜 저건 안 가져왔어?
I'm sorry. Good job. What did you say?
I said for me, quality time is more better.
Oh, then a gift.
Yeah, so like I'd rather go, I don't know, spend a day at the beach. I don't know. I don't know. I'm just thinking totally random, but
Oh. I see. I know, but I'm saying like you bought me like $1,000. Like you spent $1,000.
I wouldn't care.
You wouldn't care?
But I mean, I don't know. Maybe like if you like, I really wouldn't care. I don't think I would care. But it may change. I don't know. Who knows?
I see. Okay.
But I don't think I would care.
Oh, okay. Well, I just wanted to ask you because I was just watching a video. I just wanted to give a little context for that clip before. I was just watching a video on Instagram and this girl got her boyfriend a candle for his birthday and he was like, I got you Bad Bunny tickets, whatever. And then yeah, so then I asked him the question and I was like, would you be mad? And he was like, honestly, I don't think so because he's not big on gifts and I know that. But then yeah, I just wanted to record that. So I was like, sorry, what did you say? And then I got it on camera, but it was so cute. So I just wanted to record it. And then maybe if he changes his mind, I'll be like, remember you said this? But anyways, I'm gonna go head over to Regina's house. We're gonna try to work on something that I've been trying out for, I've been telling her to do, and I tried out yesterday and it kind of worked out. So I just need to tweak some stuff. But anyways, I will talk to you guys later. Peace. Overtime?
Yeah, this game's over. 11 points with under a minute.
Yay! Haley, don't pick your book up. Haley, I see you. It's crazy. So it is the morning, and I'm going to have her open her big gift. Cannot wait. Okay. No, look! Open the box! You can open it!
Open the box.
Oh,
Open.
yeah! Uh-huh. Good job.
Very good.
See, you ripped it a little bit already.
No,
Oh, open
Open
this
this one. Pull it. Grab it.
Cool.
Whoa, it's coming out! And then pull it. Rip it.
No.
What? You wanna open it?
Okay, now open the Open.
What is it? Open.
Keep opening. Keep going.
She's like feeling the inside. You wanna play with the slide?
Wow.
Said no. Look.
Hello.
Now you can fly at home.
Who is that, Mello? Say hi to the camera. Say hi, camera. Say hello. Climb.
You gotta climb up here.
You might need to put it on the mat. Climb. Good job.
Wow.
And then what do? You gotta slide. Good job, you freaking strong baby. Ready? 앉아야지, 앉아. And then fly. Good job. Yay! Mama.
I'm gonna be busy all day today.
Cheese.
Good job. Go.
Mello, say ho ho ho. Ho ho ho.
Woo!
Again. Ho ho ho.
Good job, Boo. Oh, they lift their leg onto the thing.
Whoa! That was a good one.
Like, how do you get on the slide? Yeah. Okay, guys. Where are we going?
To the chocolate place.
Yeah! I dragged them out of their house to come run errands with me. Well, I can't post this until later. I hope Sam doesn't watch my vlogs.
I'm sure he does. I won't be surprised.
I doubt it. He unsubscribed to me.
Are you still recording?
Yeah. Say hi, Hilly Boo.
Say hi.
about what?
One, two.
Right now, he's probably under $3 worth of that bathroom cologne. And when he don't know, I tuck my key into the side of it.
Okay, next song.
Four-wheel drive. Okay.
Underestimate how easy it is to live like this. Feel better if I take my time, just a second, then I'll be alright.